What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome or welcome back. I am TonyaNicole. For you people in the back that may not know, now you know, boo. What y'all doing today? What's going on, y'all? Girl, I ain't doing nothing today. Absolutely nothing. Guys, today we're going to be unboxing the box. We're going to see if all the hype is still floating around in this box because, I don't know. Y'all know I don't really know. So guys, if you want to see what's in October's The Box by Fashionsta, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. You know I love chit-chatting it up. Okay guys, what's up y'all? I'm TonyaNicole and I'm back y'all for another video. Yes, boo. We ready, huh? Yes, absolutely. Today we're going to be tackling The Box by Fashionsta, and we're going to see if we still feeling it or not. The first couple boxes that I received, y'all know they were okay. I just wasn't like blown out of the water for them. Well, you know, we got that vagina cream, which we're going to do a video, update video real soon on that. But yeah, guys, we're going to see if the hype is still going on in this box, if we still getting stuff that's worthy of me keeping it or not. So yeah, I ain't going to hold y'all long today. It's going to be quick. We're going to get right on into it. I'm going to give y'all the specs. Then we're going to unbox. Then we're going to final thought it out. And I don't know. Y'all know what come next, right? Yeah. Stay tuned, y'all. For you guys that do not know, the box is a $19.99 per month beauty subscription. You get 5 to 7 full-size beauty brands, and it has a value of at least $145. I'm more than sure that's what it said, I think. And I didn't see any spoilers on this box this month. It was very odd. Even though I usually don't like to look at spoilers, this box usually have brands that I'm not really familiar with, so I want to see at least a few of the spoilers so I can know what to expect. But we just gonna go in at it blindly, right? Yeah, I think that's the best way anyway. Y'all get my true, genuine reaction to these products. Y'all know how this mouth could be. I'm gonna try to censor it for you guys today. Probably not. Anyway, guys, so without further ado, let's get this box cracking. So it comes like this every month, guys, with the box on the front by Fashionsta. And yeah, we're gonna go in and open it up. Y'all ready? Ooh. Okay, guys, so this is what it's looking like on the inside. They have Shop Fashionsta here, and on the back it says, warning, the contents of this box may cause extreme excitement. You have scored $80 to $150 worth of products you will love, you will enjoy and love. And they do give us a code with all of the products that we receive for the month, as well as the total and the grand total on this card. And it says on the back, feels like an add to cart kind of day. The season of giving is around the corner. Here's an early gift from us to you. Use the code TREAT20, I'm gonna put it down here, to save 20% off of your entire order at fashionsta.com. And they say don't share it. My bad. Always comes with this little black paper in it. So guys, let's see what we got. I'm gonna pull right from the top, and it's dirty from all these little black things. And up first, we have the Jet Super Hydrating Skincare Oil to Foam Jet Cleanser. And this is what the bottle is looking like right here, guys. Okay, it's skincare. I ain't gonna say nothing, y'all. All right, so it says on the back here, oil to foam jet cleanser gently dissolves makeup and impurities. Cactus fruit delivers antioxidants to protect the skin from aging and allows skin to restore vitality and appearance of a youthful looking skin. Well, I'm definitely here for this. We always about looking young, huh? Yes, boo, I'm forever young. I don't know about y'all. And this right here is, let's see where it's at on this cord. So this is the Double Dare Oil to Foam Jet Cleanser, and this retails for $25, guys. Now again, I haven't heard of this brand before, so if you guys know Anything about the brand, please let me know down below. Thank you. Up next, guys, we're just going to pull the other skincare products out of the box. And this is from Team I or Team I? I don't know. Vite C Tea Infused Serum with hibiscus and vitamin C. And this is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. And oh, I want to tell you guys, in this right here, you get 80 milliliters of product, okay? And this one, you get 1 ounce of product. So let's open it up and see what this is about. This is a cruelty-free brand. They have it back here on the back of the box. Oh, it's pretty. And this is what the bottle and the product is looking like. Oh, it's very pretty. Let me see if y'all can see the name. There y'all go. Very, very pretty, beautiful pink. So let's go ahead on and squirt a little bit of this out. Oh, it's pink. I thought the bottle was pink. And it smells like, I don't know what it smells like. Since the smell is still off, guys, from me being sick. So it feels hydrating, though. It's kind of watery, but it does feel hydrating, and it soaks up into the skin nicely. So, okay, I'm actually excited to get this. So let's see what it says about this little product here. So this is the hibiscus infused vitamin C serum, and this says quench dry skin with this serum's water-esque consistency, which instantly absorbs into your skin. And I just said that. Wow. Vite C takes less than 30 seconds, so you can quickly continue your beauty routine. So yes, guys, okay, I will use this. Yeah, because I like the way it feels on my skin, and it is already dried down, and it's not tacky, but it feels nice on my hands. So yeah, okay, we're gonna use this, y'all. I'm okay with receiving skincare, I guess. And this retails, guys, for $45. Up next, guys, we have from Girlactic this matte lip paint duo here. This is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. And let's see, there's no shade on here. I don't think so. Oh, this is cute. This is what it looks like outside of the package, guys. And let's open it up and see. Ooh, doesn't have a smell. This is the first side right here. Beautiful. They don't have shades on here. Okay, this is the shade Posh. This is Posh right here. We're gonna swatch it, and this is what Posh is looking like right there. Beautiful. And on the other side, we have Allure. This is what Allure looks like. They look kind of similar in color to me, but we're gonna swatch this one on the hand too. Okay, Allure is a little more of a deeper pink color. And this is what Allure looks like, this one right here on the top. I hope you guys can see that. It's like a hot pink, and Posh, this one is more of like a milder, soft pink. So we're gonna put Posh on, actually. Y'all know I don't like to wear a lot of pink lipsticks, but this definitely needs a liner, but I do like the way it looks on my lips. The formula is nice. It's not sticky at all. I like this. Okay. Very pretty. I like this, guys. And that's the colors again. And let's see how much this little baby retails for. And this, guys, is the Girlactic Long Lasting Matte Lip Paint Lipstick Duo. And it retails for $26. So on here it says the first original double-ended matte lip paint, a color-rich creamy formula that's weightless on the lips and delivers long-lasting coverage that's transfer-proof with no cracking or bleeding. Colors can be worn individually or as an ombre look. Okay, pretty. I do like this, guys. So this retails for, again, $26. Up next, we are pulling out from Everyday for Everybody this Club BFF Natural Rescue Balm. And this is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. And I'm not sure of what this is. Okay, is it some kind of lip balm? All right, this is what it's looking like outside of the box, guys. And you get 0.5 fluid ounces of product. And it's no safety seal. I don't know what this is, though. It does smell like peppermint. I'm gonna say it's a lip balm. Let me see what it says on the cord. Club BFF is your ride or dry kind of friend. This nifty sidekick is a, girl, I don't know how to say that, something free balm formulated with papaya, antioxidant rich acai. What is this? So basically, y'all, I'm not reading all these hard ass words. This moisturizes your lips and other body bits. So I guess you can call it a friend with many benefits. I like that. Now I'll use that. And this is for all skin types, guys. And this retails for $15. I don't know why they put all these big words on it that they know average people like myself cannot say. Okay. I'm excited about this one, y'all. We got us a Sigma brush. So this is the Sigma F89 Bake Kabuki brush, and that's what it looks like inside of the package, guys. Oh, I love getting brushes. So I don't have a lot of Sigma brushes, so you guys let me know if you use Sigma and what you think about their brushes. Let me know, guys. This is what the brush looks like right there. I don't know if it's damaged or supposed to have this little dent. I'm not sure, guys. But this is what the brush looks like. It's beautiful. It's a nice angled brush here. Oh, it's very dense and packed. This would be a perfect foundation brush. Yeah, okay. This is cute, y'all. Look at that. I love receiving brushes, especially like Sigma brush. Yeah, boo. And let's see what this little baby retails for. And this, guys, is the F89 Bake Kabuki brush, and this retails for $25. It says, keep your look perfect with this Sigma fiber brush designed to pick up and press on setting powders. The angle gets close to contours. It is recommended to use this foundation brush with powder products, and it's perfect for full coverage. Okay, so we'll be using this in our video we're gonna be doing soon. And last but not least, guys, we have a palette. And this is the Leopardina 12 eyeshadow and 4 highlighter palette from Rude Cosmetics. This is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. We're gonna slide it over like that, and it's the same little packaging with this cute little leopard on the front. It does come with a mirror, guys, and this is what the palette is looking like, guys. I like this palette because I think that this will work for all skin types and tones. Actually, it's very, very, very pretty. I really do like this. You have some shimmer shades across the top here. You have some matte shades, and these are the 4 highlighters on the bottom. So we're gonna swatch a few really quick. So here are some of the eyeshadows swatched out, guys. They swatched out really nice. It's very pretty. This is only one swipe, so I think it's pretty. It's probably buildable. I like them. Let's swatch the highlighters. We're gonna put the highlighters on this hand. And these are the highlighter shades swatched out. So let's see how much this retails for, guys. And this is the Leopardina 12 eyeshadow and 4 highlighter palette, and this retails for $21.50. Okay, guys, that was my final product in this box for this month. We're gonna do a quick recap, final thoughts, rate the box, and we're gonna be done, okay? So we received from Rude Cosmetics this Leopardina eyeshadow and highlight palette here. From Team I, this Vite C Tea Infused Serum here. We received from Double Dare this Jet Super Hydrating Skincare Cleanser. From Galactic, this dual-sided lip gloss or lipstick. What is it? A liquid lipstick. We also received from Everyday for Everybody this body balm here. And last but not least, from Sigma, this F89 brush here. So it's 7 products, guys. 7 products for this month. So final thoughts. Wow. So y'all, I actually really like this month's box. Like, I really did. I think this might be I think I've received this box for 2 months already. This is my 3rd box. And out of the 3, I would say that this one is my favorite box. I think I will get a lot of use out of these products. Even though I did get 2 skincare products, I'm actually excited to test them out and try them on my skin. Also, y'all know I love a brush. The palette is beautiful. The lipstick is beautiful. I mean, I must say, okay, Fashionsta, you won me over this month. I really, really, really like this box for this month, guys. So yeah, that's my final thought. I think it's a thumbs up, absolutely. So guys, if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the fire. To 5 being this box is the bomb.com, you know what I'm saying? Based on just unboxing and first impressions of me laying my eyes on the products, I'm going to give Fashionsta for this month a solid 4, y'all. We may even go 4.5. I mean, I really like this month's box. Yes, so good job, Fashionsta. Good job. I like this month's box. So guys, let me know in the comments what you thought about this month's box. Let me know if you think it's a winner chicken dinner or if it's garbage. If you have not subscribed to them already, I will put the link down below if you want to pick up a box. It's $19.99 a month. Yeah, guys, so that's my video for today. If you have not subscribed to TonyaNicole's Balm Subscriber Squad family, you need to go ahead on and smash that button and do so right now. Also, while you're at it, follow me on Instagram. I'm very active on there. I will actually be doing some giveaways on Instagram coming up really soon. So make sure that you are following me here and there, okay? Also, guys, I told you all about the Poshmark. I'm gonna try and upload some stuff. Y'all bear with me. I've just been like so busy. So just sign up for the just in case. I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna keep y'all posted. Also, make sure your notification bells are on, guys, because you don't want to miss TonyaNicole experience. Trust me, you don't. Plus, I do post a lot in my community tab to keep you guys posted and get your opinions on the boxes that y'all want to see. For the most part, I'll post on like Sunday what you guys want to see for Monday's video. I'll give you some choices, and we usually post what you guys decide. So make sure your notification bells are on. If you like this video, please give her a big thumbs up for me, guys. I would greatly appreciate it. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell everybody about TonyaNicole so that we can grow and be merry and people and laughter. Okay, guys, that's all that I have for you guys today. I hope you all are having a beautiful day. I hope your weekend is fabulous. I love you all dearly. Until next time and next video, I'll see y'all down in the comments. Peace.